many times I have to tell you guys not to hit each other with the hammer?
Never.
Yeah, because you just know, huh? You guys ready?
Yeah.
What are we gonna go do?
Break some rocks.
Are
Break some gems.
you excited?
Yeah, I'm just gonna break them.
Now, what do you have in your face?
What? Goggles.
Yeah.
Protective.
What do those do?
So if the rocks start flinging at your eyes, it won't hurt you.
That's right. She found it at a Goodwill, and it is brand new.
We all get 5.
Yeah, there's 15 geodes, and so we're gonna work on cracking them open. The girls really love rocks. We'll show you their collection, and we'll talk about the methods we're gonna use. So growing up, I used to go collecting rocks to crack open, geodes. And so these are the ones that the kit came with. Different shape sizes and colors. Cannot wait, but what's more fun is these over here that we've already collected. Watch out, Lon.
We made this one.
Yeah, we did. We did a crystal growing kit. Watch out, baby.
This one's my favorite. Look at that one.
Yep, we got that from Borax.
Wow.
Yeah, so this right here is our jar. And it has all of the rocks that we have collected and found or cracked open.
Which one's this?
So, that, I believe, is amethyst.
Wow,
Beautiful.
it's cool.
All right, girls. So go ahead and grab your rock and put one in a sock. And we're going to use the sock method for right now because rocks really can ricochet and hit you in the eye, and it is not pleasant. Mommy had that happen when she was a little girl, and I don't recommend it. I got a piece in my eye.
Wow.
And it hurt very bad.
She's like, I'm just gonna. I got one. I can't get it.
So all the way in the bottom?
I think I'm gonna grab a smaller one. I got a big one.
So what you're gonna do?
I'm gonna do the big one next, okay?
Leave your hammer down.
Okay, I got
You're gonna come and hit it on the ground.
Okay.
Right here on this part. There you go. Hold on. Piper, go.
I broke it.
Oh, I heard yours break.
You can go first.
All right, Piper, you can go ahead and break yours.
Right. Oh, I think I heard it broke.
All right, Lenny, go ahead.
It's in a way.
It did,
Oh,
Piper.
I'm ruining Daddy's sock.
You hear how much harder it is to do with the...
Oh, yeah, I broke it.
Okay.
I just need to slam it.
Watch out, Madeline. Come here.
Oh, here we go. Madeline, I didn't think I'd get a good one.
Oh, that was a nice solid chunk. Look at that.
I even got some solid in it.
That is cool. Okay, move, Lonnie.
Break it. Baseball
Hit it hard. Hard. Don't hit yourself with it.
Watch this.
Get closer to the ground, okay? Like squat. Madeline, watch out. Back up.
Madeline, sit up.
Okay, dump it out.
Are you going to hit your toe?
Take that right now from her. Dump it out. Oh, Piper.
Look, that looks like weird gold.
Beautiful.
I know. I just choose that rock. Well, mine has a lip in it.
Guys, look at that.
I know these two.
That is gorgeous.
This tiny one.
Wow.
It's
Okay.
ah.
Oh, go pick it up. Let's see what we had inside. You're going to wait and I'm going to do more. Whoa, that one is beautiful.
Stop, Madeline. Can I hit mine?
There's tons of chunks that just ricocheted out. Go grab them all.
I don't see
Look it. All over the ground. This one has some pink, almost like clay, that started to structure in it. Wow, that's different.
Mine already broke.
That's beautiful. Okay, dump yours out. Oh, look
Mom,
at
can
that.
Look at that piece. These are all I can get.
Okay.
Look at that one. It has like a swirl in it.
Ooh.
Nice. Mom, they kind of look like soap inside our.
hard. Woo, Lonnie! Bring it on over here. Honey, the gold one that you're doing is hard to do. Bring it back. It's not going to easily crack. Grab a different one. Nope, grab a different one.
This?
No, that's also a gold one. What'd you find, Lonnie? Put it in the middle of that chunk of concrete.
Nice. Some more.
There you go, Piper. Bring it here. Put it down.
Yay, look
Let's see. Bring it here.
That rock's
Oh, that is gorgeous. Piper, it's so beautiful. Let me see.
I'll do this one.
Hold
Where's
on.
the hammer? I have my hammer. Let's wait. I'll do one here. Here you go.
Hi. Hold on. Oh, those ones came out so good, Piper. I'm going to start washing these guys off. Yep.
Wash this one.
Hold on.
Pour it out. Ooh. Just made it sparkly.
So after you've washed it, you can put it in our collection.
I need to wash it good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm
There's
gonna
some
wash this
beautiful,
one.
beautiful
I'm gonna wash
ones. Gorgeous.
You gotta shake it off before you put it in.
Yep.
Ooh, I'm gonna do the gold. No, that's the same one I'm doing. Guys, it's like the shell. The shell is I'm gonna wash
gold.
this one. Wait.
Oh,
And we still haven't cracked two
gorgeous.
others. Like these two guys won't break. Oh, look
We'll
at
do
this.
those
Oh,
with
look
Daddy.
Daddy, Crystal is falling on me. Oh, look at this. Crystal is falling on me, guys.
Look at how beautiful this one is.
I washed that one. Ooh, look at that one. Wash. Put it in for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Mom, the golden. Actually, can I try baking this?
No,
It's
no,
already
no.
broken.
Yep,
I do
that
okay, I
one's
need to wash
broken.
it.
Just needs to be washed.
Here we go. We found some beautiful
Piper, you gotta
crystals,
let them
guys.
drip off before you put them. Alright, so here is what we've got so far.
I wish these
Guys,
ones
look
would
at
just
how
wait.
amazing these are. So gorgeous. Beautiful. This one right here is just amazing. Careful, Madeline.
Oh, it got heavier. Oh, look at this one.
This one. I'm gonna try washing.
Beautiful.
This is one of the crystal.
Can I try this?
This one. Not right now. Look at that one, honey.
I think I broke that one.
God bless you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss another video from us. And we will see you guys next time.